2, 3, let's switch this up.
Baby, where's the lace? Okay, there's no lace. Wait, hold on, let me make sure. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adine. If you're new, make sure you subscribe and you hit that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Also, if you're OG, triple OG, thank you so much for coming back for another video. So today's video, you guys, I'm going to show you how I apply my wigs to make them look as natural as possible, okay? I do have a small forehead and I also do have a low hairline. So if I put my wigs the traditional way, okay, it's going to look very wiggy. Very wiggy. So I don't want my wigs to look, you know, like a wig. So as you can tell, okay, where's the lace, baby? Okay, there's no lace because here's the secret. I apply my wigs behind my hairline, okay? So if you're interested on how I do that, then keep on watching. All right, you guys, so go ahead and take your wig cap. I'm using a natural wig cap. And what I'm going to do is put that on and take my ragtail comb. And here I'm showing you how small my forehead is. My pinky is literally the same level as my eyebrow. So this is why I do the trick that I do. So I'm taking that ragtail comb and I'm going to part out using some gel or jam my baby hairs. And the reason why I do this is because if I, like I said in the beginning, if I apply my wig in front of my baby hairs, my wig is too low. It makes it look super wiggy. Here I'm putting more gel to separate my hair. And the key is to put the glue on the part, you guys. Make sure, try your hardest not to get it on the hair. Put it on the actual part. Then you're going to take your wig. I should have let my glue dry a little bit more, but whatever. I'm going to put my wig and make sure you adjust it and make sure you put it exactly on the part. After you do that, you're going to take a spray and I'm going to melt the lace a little bit more, and then I'm going to apply my my bands to melt it even more, and I wait about 10 to 15 minutes and then I take it out. And then another key is to brush the hair that you pulled earlier. Brush it onto the actual lace, you guys. That is another secret. Push the baby hairs back to cover the lace. Here I'm just parting my wig, and I'm going to take my wax stick and then my hot comb to flatten out the wig, because you don't want a super bulky wig on the crown. That's another tip, okay? And you guys, you're going to take some eyeshadow or concealer to define the parting, and then some black eyeshadow or and look at that, you guys, like, you saw that? I know you saw that. Like, it looks so good. And then from here I'm just gonna curl the hair. So once again, make sure you put the wig behind the hairline. You use a hot comb to flatten out the wig, and then just put concealer and a matching eyeshadow to define the parting. And that's basically it, you guys. All right, you guys, there you have it. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. I would love to answer them down below. Also, let me know any requests that you might have for my channel, and I will definitely add it to my list of future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.